All right, so let us continue with the introduction of research. So we're done with the um, description of research, the first part of the research proposal under the research process, and then now we will continue with the research process under implementation and completion. So previously, so we're done with the research process for the proposal phase, wherein this involved the problem identification and topic selection, the literature review, the research design and methodology, the budget and Gantt chart preparation, and the proposal defense. So this will be the focus of our research one. And then now let us proceed with the second part of the research process, wherein the implementation and completion. So when we say implementation and completion, so we are done with the research proposal, so we can now proceed to the data gathering procedure. So right after your proposal, so our first step will be the revisions of your research paper. So after the revision of your research paper, so we can now proceed to the ethics review or the ERC approval. So you're required all types of research must undergo ethics review. So it must submit the revised proposal to the mock ethics review committee and obtain the approval before any data collection. So it's either any type of research, uh, like for example, it's either you are under descriptive study, you are under experimental research, you are under historical research. So you are required to undergo ethics review. Okay, so all research involving human participants are also required, especially under the ethics review committee clearance. Okay, so if you are going to have um, human samples, animal samples. So even though you're not going to use human participants, okay, especially like for example, parasites, bacteria. So this is because how you will handle. So they need to review how you will handle those microorganisms. Okay, so next will be the data collection. So right after the ethics review approval, so we can now proceed with the data collection. So wherein this involved the gather data using your approved instruments. So when we say instruments, those materials, those samples that you are going to utilize on your study. So another thing, if you will do descriptive research, so you can utilize questionnaire, you can utilize interview guide questionnaire, and also observation. So aside from that, if you will do experimental research, so you need to prepare all the materials, the instruments, okay, the equipments that you are going to utilize on your entire data gathering procedure. So including your samples, okay, so it must be authenticated. Okay, so when we say authenticated, it must be identified that the microorganisms, that the parasites, the plants, okay, all the samples are have been identified what genus, what species. Okay, so kailangan may certification. And also, if you will utilize human samples, so it must be identified based on your set qualification on your chapter 3. So like for example, if you mentioned on your population and sampling that all your participants of the study must be normal